Kuzaram kipi mi chin mi udana nulapavial ten ha CCN mini ni kut kanin tlein ha atu zong CCN ni Thawngpang kanak thathanak chan sthan rilai US Rami President Tambik anchuanak mun Texas Taya lai mi zom nung thong tampi anum ve changcha dala CYO throinakin amino hai hoi komnak pumpul chinakin to ding in temona an ngai okane som thum le ni som thun ni khat khi Dallas khwa pumpul chinakin Texas area chung mimno vial de dilak hoi komnak an ngai lai tia thongan thai ma ya tel ding min ha chu Texas Aborolu Texas Midland Texas Houston le anma Dallas County Denton County Tarrant County ti in ani then lai tia thong kan thai ma chu chara chun US era mi CYO vial te atu lewe atlai mi executive director anungak tim par zong ma chu chan chunga chun arkatel velai tia thong kan thai Texas area chungi CYO upa vial te he mai chon buru anak le maria jitinda Texas CYO kan than chauter lai jitinda mi picha zong are kan toin khon nga silai ti mi kong i mai thakin Texas area chungi CYO upa vial te he mai chon buru anak an ngai lai tia thong kan thai Syria Islamic State IS ni American journalist James Foley lutan nak video thangzar US UK le France ni misai ramsa thil ti nungan ti foreign kumsomli hi US Global Post le France AFP telin media dangdanga Middle East thong aphuang tu asi kumthong ni kumle ni in Syria atlaw IS ni video chun kan thana hi US ni van long in Iraqi IS aka nak na phulham nak asi ti ati friends ni hi thana khi si tak tak kawa chun misai ramsa thil ti asi ati UK ni James Foley thana khi adik kawa chun misual thil ti le mineral che thil ti asi ati we how National Security Council bichim tu nu haiden ni asitaka chun songai lo mi American journalist line on fak ni thin thi kan linter ati following tu nu dan ni kafapani Syrian ramiza pi to na kong volai pi I phauza na riana anuna apek te ati Global Post ni chathuan chua in jimle achung kharcha thacham chana atwa FBI ni video chu takasako anti tia chathuan ni chunati ni thakhan lo mi video wa chun American sina becha tia atlang tari James Foley tia thuam ai she an rukteri theseram chara khubil in an thutter lewa aponga hriam ai put mi pa thuam nakin ai thuam mi le mai khu ni adir no foreign ni thilaya chungkhar sina becha chimta
I call on my friends, family and loved ones to rise up against my real killers, the US government. For what will happen to me is only a result of their complacency and criminality. My message to my beloved parents: save me some dignity and don't accept any meager compensation for my death from the same people who effectively hit the last nail in my coffin with their recent aerial campaign in Iraq. I call on my brother John, who is a member of the US Air Force. Think about what you are doing. Think about the lives you destroy, including those of your own family. I call on you, John. Think about who made the decision to bomb Iraq recently and kill those people, whoever they may have been. Think, John, who did they really kill? And did they think about me, you, our family, when they made that decision? I died that day, John. When your colleagues dropped that bomb on those people, they signed my death certificate. I wish I had more time. I wish I could have the hope of freedom and seeing my family once again. But that ship has sailed. I guess all in all, I wish I wasn't American.
This is James Wright Foley, an American citizen of your country. As a government, you have been at the forefront of the aggression towards the Islamic State. You have plotted against us and gone far out of your way to find reasons to interfere in our affairs. Today, your military air force is attacking us daily in Iraq. Your strikes have caused casualties amongst Muslims. You are no longer fighting an insurgency. We are an Islamic army and a state that has been accepted by a large number of Muslims worldwide. So effectively, any aggression towards the Islamic State is an aggression towards Muslims from all walks of life who have accepted the Islamic Caliphate as their leadership. So any attempt by you, Obama, to deny the Muslims their rights of living in safety under the Islamic Caliphate will result in the bloodshed.
Thi fak in lai ding mi hi US chawza ni Iraqi IS aka nak he ai pe tlai ti achim thuam nak in mai hup tu sham tai pa ni British ochoin bia achim ve US chawza sina rarin apek tapung nakap tin halai lo kan ni hi Islamic ral kabu le valai chung Muslim tampi an chol han mi Muslim ram dir tu kan si ti achim chu cha nang ma Obama ni Muslim chawvo him bomin Islamic ram in an khosak nak hon natim poa nami phun thisan na chho tar lai tia chu pani chun ati chuti achim hnuwa video chu fiang ol lokin hong ummi foreng hong chu achalo alu ten slo ado arwak chu volaya tu IS ni American journalist Stephen Suslov zong antlai chu zong chu video an langter President Barack Obama ni atu alai ding mi zo in tu atau ding tia ra rim pek na ka kum thong ni kum hlei thuma Suslov chu Syria antlai IS ni hin Syria ni chu leile Iraqi mun an lang nak le anuk nak rama zapi minung tampi an tha chang tha BBC ni atel mi CCN chak chanin thong thai si